Alright, hi guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the Windows logon screen, which is a pretty cool thing to do. Obviously I won't be able to show you what the final product looks like, but I'm going to use a third-party program to do this, which does have a preview window, which is pretty cool. There are two ways to do this process of the changing of the logon screen. The logon screen is where you type in your username and password. The two ways that you can do this is you can use third-party programs, which is much easier, or you can edit the actual file itself in Windows. And to do that, you go to edit registry entries, one registry entry, and you got to copy and paste a particular file into a folder, and it has to be a particular format, and if it's over a certain size it doesn't work, and it's easiest just to use a third-party program that'll do everything for you. My favorite is called Tweaks Logon, and that is what my Windows logon screen will look like. Obviously not to that dimensions, but more to my 24-inch screen windowed dimension. If I press test, I won't actually be able to show it to you, as the screen recording utility does not enable me to show the logon screen. I don't think any do actually. It's going to just keep recording the windows, not the logon screen. So it's a pretty cool thing. What you can do is you can press change logon screen, you can browse to a picture, you can pick one, doesn't really matter what you pick. Let's pick Darth Vader. New logon background successfully installed, and there you go, that's what it'll look like. You can press test, revert to original. It's a pretty cool thing to do. Now there's a certain file size if it's over and above that it gets a bit grumpy with, like here's quite a big one. If I was to open it, file size may only be maybe less than 245 kilobits. If it is bigger than that file size, this program will convert it for you to a smaller image. Now that is kind of cool, I guess, but you do actually lose some of the quality in the process of the converting. So just be aware of that, and this program doesn't actually convert it as well as I think it should, so you can use a different program to convert it. So for example, I'm using this one. The original is too big. It was almost a megabyte, but I converted it using Photoshop to below the specified size, and then when I open it, it fits perfectly and the quality is better than what this thing would have converted it to be. So it's a pretty cool program. It's free. It's a third-party program, so I don't think there can be anything that can go wrong with it. It's a pretty basic thing. It shouldn't damage anything to do with your computer and anything to do with anything like that. I was going to make a video that shows you how to change the Windows boot up animation, but that's actually a very risky process, and I thought I'd rather not play with fire. And as if you do it wrong, or if there's an error during the process, it can prevent your computer from booting, and then you got to load into safe mode, and it's a whole list of things to revert it back to its original state. So I'm going to just do a video like this for now. If you guys want, I can make a video how to change the boot up animation, and I'll do it in a virtual machine, and I'll try to get the error so I can show you how to fix it. So this is a pretty cool thing to do. It's pretty easy. It's a nice third-party program, and I'll upload it to my site. There'll be a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.